Alright, hello, Kimok7 here. We got a blizzard here in Chicago. Well, I don't know if you quite call it a blizzard, but it's February 1st, Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm gonna go trekking in the snow. So, here we go. We're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna rock it out. I got my new gloves I found on the ground. Check these out. Ready? Here we go. Wow, it's balmy out. Hello, hello, hello. Well, hello, Mr. Bush. Some very cool drifting. Even the police station across the street is... Look at the drifting here. Wow, check it out. Holy smokes.
We get police activity down there.
All right. Well, earlier I said there's about 4 inches. I was actually wrong. There's about, I'd say 8 inches. Something like that. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna move pretty quick. 'Cause I'm a quick motherfucker. I move quick, motherfucker. I'm a quick motherfucker. I'm as quick as a motherfucker. Look at the pretty lights. It's like a Christmas tree car. Wow. Well, I hope the snowplow behind me doesn't try and plow me. Very cool. I think I'll let this go by. Yeah!
Yeah.
It's a very pretty car. Oh, they're trying to like help this lady out. Maybe she's gotta go get some laundry. Push it, push it, push it. Push it. Yes, I'm going to Mickey Finn's to watch the Super Bowl on a very snowy day. Oh, I mean, this is gorgeous. A lot more snow out here than I imagined. A lot of cars are trying to, get pushed out. I don't think my friend Randy's gonna make it. There's gotta be, yeah, I'd say about 8 inches. Something like that. But because of the drifting, there's like 2 and 3 foot drifts,
You know what I'm talking about here, huh? Does anyone know what I'm talking about?
Alright, let's see if we get up here on this. Get up here. Oh. I just stepped in about 3 or 4 feet of snow right there. This is pretty, isn't it? Wow. We got a real snowstorm. Holy smokes. Lots of drifting. Wow. I'm not the only one just walking in the street. Dude's got a 12-pack of Budweiser in his hands. There's like nowhere to walk. Not too many cars out though. Not surprised. I bet Mickey Finn's is empty. It's the kind of day. I mean, imagine right now it's what is it? It's 4 o'clock on a Sunday. It's Super Bowl Sunday, and Milwaukee Avenue has no cars on it. Like none. 0 cars. That's pretty cool. Oh, well, there's 4 cars right there.
I'm mistaken. There are 4 cars on the road. Make that 5.
Alright. We're going to continue to walk in the middle of the street. We're almost to Mickey Finn's. It's taken us about 4 minutes to get there. It's pretty cool. It's great being a pedestrian. You can run red lights. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, there's 1 car back there. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, the snow to me is just gorgeous. Stunning gorgeous. As long I don't get run over by some fuckhead. Oh my god, look at the drifts. Shit. Oh my god. Alright, we made it. That was intense. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. Here we go. I made it. What's going on, man? Good morning. How are you?